Hello, it's Tom here, headed back to Denver from Copper Mountain. They routed us over Loveland Pass because I-70 was closed because of some dangerous conditions. So it's taken a while and there's a couple more hours to go. But I just kind of wanted to show you what Loveland Pass looks like. Kind of looks like another world. It's one lane traffic, but at least we're moving now. It's been hit and miss. But this is the summit right here. I don't know if there's any signs that say that, but anyway, clearly we got blowing and drifting. Oh, there it is, 11990. I don't know if you saw that, but there's a sign there. So we made it to the top of the pass.
Country Music Awards.
We've got 4.5 miles before we get back on I-70. And I don't know if you can see the cars very well, but we got lots of cars. And lots of hairpin curves. Oh, I-70's down there. If you look real close, maybe you can see I-70. Looks like it's moving pretty good, so that's encouraging. Excuse me. So once we get back down there, should be trucking right along. Anyway, Jen's Jeep is doing well. It's a Grand Cherokee Summit Edition with a V8, and it's going good. So no troubles. There's a C-Dot guy. They have the traction law in effect, so everybody here has to either have four-wheel drive or chains, snow tires, etc., etc. So it's a good day to have four-wheel drive. And we're in four-wheel drive. I'll show you what it looks like over here. We're rolling along at 18 miles an hour, so not too fast, but at least we're making progress. And the sun's going down here pretty soon. Some more cars behind us. Anyway, it's really pretty up here. We were above tree line there for a little while, but now we're getting back into where the trees grow. So I'm signing off from Loveland Pass, US 6. Take care.